friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today because today we're going to learn about something very fun. Our learning goal says, I can read compound words. Compound words. Oh, that sounds very official and fancy. What's a compound word? Have you heard that before? Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, compound words are when we have two words and they're connected together to make a new word with a brand new meaning. So it's kind of like getting two puzzle pieces and clicking them together, and you can start to see a new picture. All right, so let's try it out. So if I have the word base, and then I'm going to connect it or add it to the word ball, so base, ball, then I connect those two together, and it equals the new word baseball. See, when I'm talking about just a base, it's kind of one of those things you use when you're playing baseball. You step on them as you run from place to place. A ball can be any kind of fun ball. But when I put those two words together into a compound word, it means baseball, which is a very specific type of ball. Do you like to play baseball? It's our favorite thing to do here at our house. Okay, so compound words. Two words connected together to make a new one with a new meaning. Let's try another one. Here I have, what's that word? Yep, cup. We're going to connect it or add it to the word cake. Oh, it's going to be delicious. So we have cup and cake. What do you think our new word is going to be if we connect those together? Cupcake. Did you hear it? Yes, delicious. Cupcake. Excellent. Get your reading finger right now and let's say cup, cup. Let's point to cake, cake. And now let's read cupcake, cupcake. Excellent. Our reading finger is going to be really helpful to keep us organized as we're reading these big compound words today. All right, as soon as you see the new word, I want you to go ahead and read it nice and loud. Rain. Good job. Rain plus, what are we going to add it to? Bow. Ooh, rain and bow. What's our new compound word, friend? Yes, a rainbow. Oh my goodness, awesome. Rainbow. What's your favorite color in the rainbow? Oh, my favorite color is blue. I love to see the color blue in the rainbow. Good job. Way to connect those two words. Now let's just think for a minute. Remember I said compound words connect two words together that are different and they make a new word. Like right here when we had rain, it just meant, water falling from the sky. This fancy bow could be around your neck or in your hair, but those are two totally different things from a rainbow. I think it's super fun when compound words create something new and fresh. Great job reading. All right, let's do the next one. What's this word, friend? Snow. Good job. Snow. And what do you think we're going to add to the other end of it? Snow. I wonder. Snow. Oh, snow. Man. What's our compound word, friends? Snowman. Way to read it as one big word. Excellent. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. When I see a compound word, like in a sentence or in a story, it's not normally broken up like I was just showing you on the last few, where we have one and then the other one. It's usually already put together. It's already connected. So if I saw this big old word, this is my hot tip for you of how I read it when I'm trying to figure out the compound word. I see that it's really big, so I'm going to cover up with my hand part of the word. All right, now I just am going to read the first word. So what's that first word? Yeah, butter. Okay, so the first part is butter. And now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover up the butter part because I know that. And I'm going to read the second word. Fly. So we had butter, fly. So what is our compound word, friend? Yes, butterfly. Awesome. So when you're reading, what I recommend doing is covering up part of it. It's called chunking, where we look at just a chunk of the word at a time. So let's try it with another compound word. Ooh, that's a big one. Let's go ahead. Let's get our hand. Now, I am going to go ahead and put my hand on the screen, but if you want, you can just hold your hand up near the screen. So we have covering up that last part. What's that first word? Skate. Oh, yes, skate. All right, now I'm going to cover up the skate part. And what's that last word? Board. Okay, we have skate, board. What's our compound word, friend? Yes, skateboard. Woo, we're going to zoomy all around the place. Awesome job. See, when we cover up part of the word, it helps us to really figure out that piece that we're looking at. Then the next piece, when we cover that side up, and then when we put it together, it's a little bit easier. Because if I just saw that word by itself, it looks kind of big. All right, what about, this one? Okay, do you see what you're going to cover up? Go ahead, you get your hand. What are you going to cover up first? Awesome, I covered up this part. So what's that first half of the word? Pan. Excellent, now we're going to do a switcheroo. Good, yeah, that says cake. So we had pan and cake. What's our compound word, friend? Pancake! Awesome! Wow, you are super good at compound words. Now, our learning goal for today said, I can read compound words. And we practice taking two words, connecting them together to make a brand new word with a brand new meaning. And one of my hot tips, remember, is to cover up parts of the word to help figure it out when you're adding those words together. Because compound words can look pretty long and pretty big. All right, so that's my good recommendation. All right, what I would like you to do is when you practice reading, look for those compound words. Use your hand or your reading finger to cover up different parts of it to help you to read and figure out what they mean. All right, good luck, friends.